Okay, let's go.
Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Everyday English with Mark and Anna.
Hi, friends. Today we're going to school.
That's right. In today's lesson, we'll talk about school subjects, classroom objects, friends and teachers, and daily school life.
Don't worry, this school is fun. No homework today.
Haha, yes. Just fun English learning. Let's go to class together. Let's start with some words you use at school. Repeat after us. School,
Classroom,
teacher,
student,
desk,
chair,
blackboard,
book,
pen,
pencil,
bag.
notebook.
Let's use them in short sentences. I go to school.
The teacher is kind.
The students are happy. I have a pen and a book.
My bag is heavy.
Now, your turn, listener. Say one sentence about your school. Great job! You're a great student already.
Now, let's learn some subjects we study at school.
Math, English,
Science,
history,
geography,
art,
music,
physical education, or PE.
computer studies.
Let's practice with examples. I like English.
She doesn't like math.
Science is interesting.
Music is fun.
Your turn. Say, I like, and add your favorite subject. Nice! You sound like a top student.
Now, let's talk about a normal school day.
Yes. Listen and repeat this short story. I wake up at 7 o'clock.
I go to school at 8 o'clock.
I have English class at 9.
At 10, I have science class.
At 12, I eat lunch with my friends.
At 1, I have art class.
At 3, I go home.
Great. Now, let's ask, what time do you go to school? And what's your favorite class? Nice.
Now let's learn how to talk about people at school.
My teacher is kind.
My teacher helps me.
My friend is funny.
My best friend is in my class.
We study together.
We play at break time.
Let's add some adjectives. Kind, funny, smart, helpful, friendly, nice.
Say a sentence, my teacher is... And now, my best friend is... Wonderful!
Now let's learn what we say inside the classroom.
Good morning, teacher.
Can I go to the bathroom, please?
Can you help me?
I don't understand.
Can you repeat that, please?
Thank you, teacher.
These are very useful. If you say, can you repeat that, please? Every teacher will love you.
Yes, because it shows you want to learn.
Good morning, class.
Good morning, teacher.
How are you today?
I'm fine, thank you. And you?
I'm great. Today we have English and art.
Yay! I love art.
That's good. Now open your books, please.
Oh no, I forgot my book.
Again, Anna?
Haha, sorry. Can I share with my friend?
Yes, of course. But next time, bring your book.
Yes, teacher, I promise.
Good. Now let's draw a happy cat. Okay, listener, it's your turn. Let's do some practice questions. What's your favorite subject? Who is your best friend? What time do you go to school? What do you say when you don't understand? Perfect. You're learning fast.
Let's imagine a funny school situation.
Oh no, what happens this time? You're at school, but gravity stops for 1 minute.
So everyone's floating in the air?
Yes, the teacher's chalk is flying, the papers are dancing, the students are doing zero gravity homework.
Oh no, my lunch is floating away. Come back, sandwich.
And the principal is shouting, sit down, but nobody can.
That's the most interesting science class ever.
See, even funny moments can help us remember English.
Okay, let's review today's lesson.
We learned school vocabulary, teacher, student, desk, blackboard.
School subjects, math, English, science, art, etc.
Talking about teachers and friends.
Classroom phrases. Can you help me? Good morning, teacher. Now let's do a mini quiz. What do you say when you want help?
Can you help me?
What do you say when you don't understand? I don't understand. What's your favorite subject?
Great!
Perfect! You're learning more every lesson.
That's all for today's class.
I had so much fun. No homework today, right?
No homework, but review your vocabulary, okay?
Okay.
Next time, we'll learn Lesson 10, At the Doctor, talking about health and feelings.
Take care, friends.
See you in the next lesson number 10, friends.
Bye-bye.